Umkhakha wezezimayini kulelizwe iwona obambe iqhaza elibaluleke kunayo yonke imkhakha emnothweni wezwe. Ezimayini zikhule ngo-18.1%. Njengoba zenyuka ke izigaba zohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi eEscom sisuke esigabeni sesine kuya kwesesithupha ngesonto ledlule. Kunokwesabela ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi sidilizwe izisebenzi ngenxa yalolu hlelo.
We anticipate that going into the coming quarters of the year, you're going to see companies restructuring their operations as a response to the continuous persistent load shedding. And unfortunately, the people who tends to be affected the most are the actual workers, mine workers, and the people who rely on companies that services the mining industry.
Ezinye zezisebenzi zithi uma zingaqhubeki inqinamba ibhekene neEscom isebenza semayini kanye nosonkontileka yibona bazothola kanzima kunawo wonke umuntu.
See job losses because if they cannot supply the mines, they will not be able to survive as suppliers of these mines because they rely mainly on supplying the mines. So should the load shedding continue as it is going to negatively impact on those contractors or suppliers of the mines because they will not be able to supply the mines in that regard.
Kusenjalo imayini Stillwater enye ezimayini ikhiqiza iplatinum eRustenburg ithi sekuneyikhawula ukudingeka khona ukuthi yehlisa amandla ogesi abawusebenzisayo nokuyinto enomthelelo ongemuhle emikhiqizweni.
So we have got these agreed protocols. They require 10%, 15% reduction in demand, and then we'll start implementing these different protocols that we've agreed with them. So we are actually able to continue operating through these periods, but obviously over an extended period, there will be an impact on production.
Well, state uthi yize izinkinga zokucisha konga ugesi ingakabathikamezi kangako kwazisa isikhomi bazisa kusenesikhathi ukuthi ugesi uzocima nini basenethemba lokuthi lesimo angeke size sibe sibi kakhulu siphinde sibe nomthelelo ongemuhle emkhakheni wezezimayini.